So the free airdrop hype has come back and we've seen it with Xeon. So with that said, we jump straight to the laptop and first of all, let me know if you're eligible for the Xeon airdrop. We're gonna go through and also check how you're eligible and leave a like on this video. Let's get it to 200 likes. Well, first of all, the Xeon airdrop is out. Now here we go, for example, this person that I do follow, a great guy, Enigma over here. If you do know him, if somehow he watches my video, shout out, congratulations. And I found it out through him. So I'm eligible for this one for 500 token. Now, it is said that the token goes not for $20, but around the $4, $5 mark on the pre-market, which looks like a very nice airdrop for simply all you had to do was to go over here on the Xeon ecosystem. We've seen this together many times, so do not fade these calls, guys, because it is very important. Turn notification bell on and subscribes. With all of this one, simply by doing a few of them, I received 500 token. Now I will leave you the checker below and you can go and check different accounts. I only one is the Meta account, but if you are a Discord member, Injective, Solana or EVM, then go and check all of them. To go and check for your Meta account, you simply find it over here. So you go to the exciting.bonusblock.io, which I will leave you link down below. But we're gonna go and see other important free airdrop that you can go and earn right now, which I do believe, have the same potential, if not better, than Xeon. All you gotta do, go over here, copy your wallet address right here, and go and put it right here, and you will see the amount of allocation. So let me know down in the comments below. And it does look like a nice airdrop. This is the page. It was free to earn. It has over $36 million raised, which is very, very nice. But the airdrop was completely free. Do a few missions, and I did not make much out of this. I could have gotten way more points, way more XP, but I didn't do many of them, as you see here. I've done a few, not the last one, which is a little bit of a shame. But, you know, if you've done it, congratulations, you can go and do them. So this is the first airdrop. Now, when it comes to the other airdrop, what do I believe? Well, first of all, I do like Skate Park. I will leave you the link down below. So regarding the skate chain, it is a very simple one. They got the skate passport, which it is a very simple situation over on Telegram. Sign up through the link down below and you got a few quests to do. That's it. So you got a few quests. Join the stake Telegram chat. Simply click on start. You will be redirected over here. You will be redirected to open it. As you see here, I am already part of it. So this mission is going to be done. So we simply go and look for the skate passport over here. We launch the skate and we've done it. So we got it. We received our token, and then follow skate over on X, which we can go and simply do it, and I do already have it. So simply go and open it as we see over here. You will then be redirected to Twitter. You click over here and verify. It will verify it, and once you've done all the quests, it is very simple. There's 4 quests, 150 points. Make sure that you go and do it. Very, very important. This one is already on a mainnet, but everything can be done also on a testnet, especially to earn the ollies. The ollies, as you see on the top here, are the points that you go and collect. And how you do it? Well, you build your skateboard. So to the link down below, you will be redirected over here. And being on mainnet, you can already go and utilize their ecosystem, which for the airdrop, I do suggest you go and do it. But as well, simply go over here to the workshop, to the inventory, build your skateboard. As we see here, it is on Sefolia, everything on Sefolia. Simply go to click mint now. Make sure that your MetaMask wallet is on Sefolia. Mint now, confirm the transactions, and you are good to go. So you're minting it. As you see here, you're minting parts of a skateboard. So this is the theme of it. And by the way, the skate chain, skate park, is a L2. So it is a protocol, and it does have a lot of traction. We got over 700,000 people on Twitter. We got a huge inventory, as we see over here, a huge possibility of transaction, 15,812,000 wallets. And all you gotta do is simply go over here to the faucet. You have the possibility to already go and grab your tokens. Go to the faucet, come back, build your skateboard. Once you go and get your parts, by the way, you're not allowed to do it on a, every 2 minutes, as we see. You gotta wait a little bit. Once you've done it, simply go to the inventory and you will see your parts. So now simply you go 1, you go 2, and you see that every time that you go and get a new part, you can add it. Once you add them all together, as we see over here, you will be able to select the parts and go and build yourself a skateboard. This skateboard, as we see here, will give you 500 ollies each. So do that on a day-to-day basis. Make sure that you come here on every day. Make sure that you do it multiple times a day. You just gotta wait a few minutes before you do it again, but you can do it multiple times a day. So definitely something really nice, and I really look forward to it. I was able to participate in this from the very beginning. Now all I gotta do left is to go and explore as well the ecosystem of the mainnet, which I do suggest you go and do it. We got the skate park ecosystem campaigns to add liquidity to earn fees and get the ollies. If you got funds, add liquidity, connect to coin, mint NFTs to earn more ollies, as well is the other one. So there are different ones, but this one, as we see over here, ended. So you can go and add liquidity on the other platform. Simply click on it, connect your wallet, will be redirected over here, and you are good to go. The other one, which I do really like, is the GRBT airdrop. Now this one is going to be the platform for what it is going to be the exchange of the ZK ecosystem, and it is going to be huge. I am really getting into it. I really like this project. I really like the ZK ecosystem. So all you gotta do is simply to sign up through the link down below, complete a few steps, get some raffle tickets, go and open your boxes, go and open your loot. This will give you more possibilities of getting rewards. Go and complete your daily quest, go and complete your GRBT X beat the Greek quest, as well as the GRBT and candy one over here. So we got this one. There's a leaderboard. Make sure to scale through the leaderboard, and all you gotta do as well is to go over on the orders, test out all the trading, or as we see here live on the open beta testnet. So you got many possibilities to go and do. You can confirm it, open the beta, join now, and complete the quest to earn exclusive access reward. And as we said, it is all on a beta testnet, which is very important, and something that you do need to realize, it is on a free testnet. So you don't need to worry about anything. You have the possibility, by utilizing the protocols, or store 80 ZK tokens, 20 mystery box raffles, which is really nice. We got fundings by like over $3 billion in this one. We got 2.5 million users already selected. They are going to have a bridge on their own from the centralized exchange to the decentralized exchange. We can see over here, also following their Twitter. I really suggest you, they got a Twitter space tomorrow if you want to know more about it, and they are overall one of the best bets that I will do for this ecosystem. I do really like them, I do support them, and as it is on a test and it got nothing to do, so make sure to go and jump in. The codes are limited, link will be down below. Following up, we also have something that I am really proud of. It's being ranked 26 out of 400,000 over on the testnet exchange. Now this one is the CVEX testnet airdrop, and it is going to be huge. You gotta collect points. And how to collect points? Well, you gotta do a few simple tasks, a few simple achievements, a few simple trading, as you see over here, and you collect XP. The XP will then be rewarded for the airdrop criteria. Now all of this one, if you are new or you already joined, the link will be down below to go and join, so make sure that you do. All of this one, they are hidden from you. So for example, you will see them like this. Now while you're watching the video, I will go slowly through them while I talk to you about the CVEX. Make sure that you stop the video, that you can go and copy what it is, and make sure that you do it accordingly. Where to do it? Over here on the simple trading and the pro trading. These are all quests that request you to do simple trading. As you see, submit 25 market orders. So make sure that you look at all of them. Make sure that you go and complete them. Take a screenshot. Make sure to go and do it, because it is really interesting. When it comes to the silver over here, I've done them all. More or less done them all. I do believe I missed only two. This one over here. Other than that, I've done them all. We also have the rare achievements over here, which you can go and do. You can go and trade for yourself. As we see, we do have a little bit more missing on this one, as they are hidden. Like also for myself, you only get to see the results when they are hidden. We then have the epic one over here, and then we have some legendary, which I did not participate in it. But it is very simple. Also, mark your day over here as streaking. Very important. Collect XP, 20 days, 30 days, and so on. Very important to do it. And once again, on a testnet situation, so nothing to go and worry about. Next up, we do have a massive updates, and it is regarding the LENA airdrop. Now, as I was recording this video, LENA confirmed the airdrop and the token, but I did receive a new, as we see here, notification that LENA has just shared their TGE date, launching of the LENA token by the end of Q1 2025. This will allow LENA token holders to participate in governance. While a snapshot has not yet been announced, the LXP voiders has ended, and LENA continues to focus on fostering organic community growth. So what am I doing for participating in this now that the LENA and all of this situation is kind of gone? Well, what I did is, over on Stargate, I did provide some liquidity. That's also one thing that I kept on for a while. If we go over to the pool over here, and we select all of them, and the one that I have all money on it. As we see here, I am on the V1 over on LENA. I am providing liquidity, as we see, a 0.10 LP availability, which I do have it. I can remove it, of course, if I wanted, but I do have this liquidity pool over on LENA, which I do believe, by the way, I can go and check it and see if there is also a V2, which I could simply go and do it. So one thing that I will do now, actually with you personally, I will go over to my pools on the LENA V1, and I will go and remove this liquidity, put it into the V2 as well. So this is what I'm doing for LENA, is to simply provide liquidity on a day-to-day basis. As we see here, Ethereum over on LENA, I will go and regroup this one for sure, switch to LENA mainnet, remove the liquidity, and then I will go and bring it to this season or to the volume 2. Now, if you want to do it as well, make sure I will leave you the Stargate finance link, but I can leave it to you link down below. And all I'm doing it is this, providing liquidity. So I've done the LXP campaign, we've done all of that. That was all on a testnet situation. I do believe though that providing liquidity over on LENA, doing it here on Stargate, could be a potential criteria to go and receive a juicy airdrop. So definitely something to go and do. Now we can go and add it again if we do want. So simply go over to the not to my pools, token network over on LENA version 2, and we can provide the liquidity over here. So we got a little bit more, and we simply click over on add liquidity, and we're good to go. So this is what I'm doing to keep my foot in the door for the LENA airdrop, which is going to be good now that they announced that the Q1 of 2025 will have the airdrop. Another thing that we can go and look is this airdrop hunter over here. If you did participate in it, I will leave you the debunk link down below. Go and grab yourself if you wish. We also have the claiming of the Vault 7 over on Saga airdrop, as we see over here. So 7th Vault, 7th claim. Let me know down below how many claims you have done it already on Saga, because they are going all out. If you did participate in Saga and if you did stake your Saga token, you are in for a good treat. Like, this one was really a great airdrop in my opinion. Mantis as well. It does look like Mantis have taken a snapshot, as we see over here, which is interesting. We have been farming Mantis, for a while now, and I do wonder what the criteria will be. Here we go, we had the mainnet, the Mantis testnet, we had all of them links, as we see over here, the Mantis app, so all of them, and we did participate in this one, and I hope that you did participate as well in it. We got my accounts over here, and only go to sign up, total balance, connect the wallet. I believe it was over on the Phantom wallet, yeah, last use over on Solana, so simply go and participate in it. Let's go and check the point system. But we did participate in it. I did tell you that the Mantis airdrop would come eventually, and you could have the possibility, as we see over here. I do have the 2,000 credits. I got referral only, so thank you to 23 people that have joined me, and we got the multiplier. I'm position 1,286, but nonetheless, another airdrop that is coming very soon. So with that said, guys, hope you enjoyed it, hope you watched all the video. Make sure to go and collect your free airdrop. With that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.